Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by claiming a concrete time block. Pick 60 to 120 minutes when you have the most focus. Once scheduled, clear the environment, put your phone away, close unrelated tabs, mute notifications, because interruptions cost momentum. Next, state one measurable outcome and 2 criteria that count as success so you know when to stop. Begin immediately at the top of the block. Set a visible timer and commit to working only on that outcome without switching tasks. Once you're in, structure attention. Use 25 to 50-minute pulses depending on your stamina, followed by 5 to 10-minute micro breaks to reset. During each pulse, follow a single task checklist and mark progress visibly so you get steady feedback and avoid scope drift. If you feel energy drop, tweak the environment, raise lighting, change posture, or add low-level ambient sound to keep alert. Make sure to protect the block from new inputs and tell colleagues you're unavailable. Momentum. You finish by spending 5 minutes reviewing what you accomplished. List wins, capture the next actionable steps, and record any blockers. After that, schedule a proper recovery break of 20 to 60 minutes so your brain consolidates effort. If you struggle with interruptions or mental fatigue, shorten future blocks and increase frequency to rebuild habit. Consistency matters more than single long sessions. If the plan still fails, diagnose. Are distractions external or internal, and remove the dominant source before the next block.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.